My dear brothers and sisters, we face the fact that people will say something after doing doing a good thing or doing nothing at all. May tatanggap, may hindi tatanggap. People would appreciate, some would not. Others may like it, others may not. And to such experiences, others may have that drive to continue doing it, and others may feel discouraged and give up along the way. But we are challenged daily, even if we are poured with commendations and poured with rejections left and right, even discouragements, sinasabi nga po natin, padayon lang, tuloy lang, sige lang, push lang. And we ask, with the praises, with the not so good words that we hear, why continue at all? Why push through? Why go along? And we take inspiration from our readings today. Jesus reminded how John the Baptist was preaching to his people, but these people knew him for being possessed by an evil spirit. He reminded them that he himself once ate along with tax collectors and sinners, and he was branded a glutton, a drunkard, and their friend. Ginawa pa din po nila ang dapat nilang gawin, kahit ganito yung pagtrato sa kanila at ganito yung mga narinig nila sa kanila. And what was their fuel? Love was their fuel. Mahal nila yung tawag ng Diyos sa kanila. Kaya kahit punahin sila, kahit pagsalitaan sila na masama, marahil nasasaktan sila, pero gagawin pa din nila ang tama. We've heard the beautiful canticle of Saint Paul in today's first reading. The words, "Without love, I am nothing," means a lot. Kung walang pagmamahal ang pagiging pari, kung walang pagmamahal ang pagiging magulang po ng madami sa inyo, kung walang pagmamahal ang pagiging estudyante, ang katauhan natin, at kung walang pagmamahal ang pagiging tao natin, walang buhay. Masabihan lang tayo, ayaw na tayo. A little bit of a problem, we go out. A dark moment in life, we shun away, we give up, we let go. Madali tayong umayaw kung walang pag-ibig. Madali nating patayin ang mga madaming posibilidad kung alam nating hindi tayo nagmamahal. But today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are reminded how love has been with us since then because of Jesus. May pag-ibig ng Diyos kaya magpapatuloy. May pag-ibig ng Diyos kaya hindi susuko. Love was the fuel of Jesus and John the Baptist, even if they've been hearing so and so forth words. Love was their fuel, even if their lives were also threatened. Love was their fuel, even if they are also discouraged and accused. Love made them continue doing good. Hindi man po tayo takasan ng masasakit na salita, hindi po tayo susukuan ng pag-ibig. Pag-ibig with a capital P and maybe a small p. Pag-ibig na si Jesus at pag-ibig na mayroon po tayo sa buhay natin. Why continue? Why do things well? Why push through? Why live our today? Because love is by our side, and love is always with us.
Please stand.